Alright guys, just thought I'd let you know I did pay my rent. Run you through the receipt. There's my name. I'm guessing that's the room number. My rent is $170. Top line is for electric, 83 kilowatts, $20.75. And then the water was only $3.50 for the month, for a grand total of $194.25. Another thing I like to do when I come back, I always have tons and tons of reels. I have to organize it in some coherent way. Otherwise, if I'm paying with it, I'm digging around in my pocket, not sure what I got. So I like to separate them. Now, while I think I've said this before, while they will take American money, but American money, US dollars, have to be pretty good condition. They won't take anything ripped, torn, or anything. It's not like that with a real. And the reason for that is because US dollars are not technically, officially, an official currency here. Everyone takes them, and it's generally accepted. You get them out. You get US dollars out of the ATM, but it's not technically legal tender over here, so they do not have to accept your money. I know sometimes people get upset when they go in and you have to take it. No, they don't. Real is not the same. So even though some of these, especially these ones here, look pretty war, anybody will take real, because that is the currency, of course. So there, I separate them by in order. Boom. What do I got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,000 real. A little bit over $3. So that will pay for my dinner tonight. Matter of fact, I'm going to be going out here in a second, watching food videos on YouTube. I have nobody but myself to blame. I taught her how to use that. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, it's Monday night. There appears to be some kind of a traffic jam on Watbo Road for some reason. I don't know why. But it makes it hard to walk because all the tuk-tuks and motos are going to be going around the cars and trucks really close, and sometimes on the sidewalk. What little of that there is available. Just have to be extra careful. I think this guy is going to try and get out, but I don't know. I'll just go around this way. Better safe than sorry. Usually this road is busy, but you don't see that kind of traffic built up. I did not want to go down on the other end of the street to find out what was going on. That appears to be where the blockage is. It is almost 6 o'clock and I am hungry again. The issue is going to be, I want to go that way, over there, but with this traffic, I don't know. Looks like it's not as clogged up this way. I get around this van, see if I can maybe get across the street here. Yeah, I think we can go now. That was probably not a good idea. But there we go. All right. Onward for food. Just occurred to me that almost Except for that restaurant, you can't see it, but down Wadbolt Road there on the corner of Street 24, which is my favorite place to go for breakfast. Everything else I like to eat is on the other side of the river there. I'm going to have to get some information about cheap food places on this side of the river. I mean, there's a lot of restaurants. Lots and lots of restaurants. But a lot of them look like they're in nice, fancy buildings, which would probably mean a nice, fancy price tag. And so for me, it's worth the walk. Because no matter how tired I am, when I get to where I want to eat, when the food is good, it makes me happy. There's a bounce in my step on the way home. Plus, nights like this, like most nights, at least for now, they're nice. I mean, it's a nice night. Good time to go for a walk. And as I said in my last video, you can see joggers are out already. This is a time of night when people like to come out. Sit, eat, take a walk, take a jog. Maybe do a little shopping at the night market, one of the night markets. So I'll show you guys what I pick for food when I get there. Talk to you later. Oh, is there anything more satisfying than a bowl of $1.50 fried noodles? With a fried egg on top, vegetables and chicken. Not for me, not today. And I don't know if I just mentioned it, but it was $1.50. It was so filling, and as always, delicious. You never go wrong with street food. Well, I mean, I guess you could. You could. If you're not paying attention, you could, but not down here. Now we are on our way to another restaurant because Seng did not want to eat at that, or she didn't want to eat a noodle dish or a beef dish. She was hungry for fish. Didn't see any fried fish stalls or grilled fish stalls or fish of any kind in the section we were at, so she didn't eat yet. So now we're on our way to find a place that has some grilled or maybe fried or maybe baked fish. I don't know. You usually find a lot of vendors that are grilling them right on the street. But they travel a lot. They don't seem to have set places they're at certain times, so you just gotta kind of bump into them or happen upon them when you can, and take advantage when you find them, and get yourself some river fish. But we're gonna go ahead and look downtown, see if we shall be successful. Talk to you later. No look on the fish front, so she has settled for that chicken. Uh-huh. Yeah. And rice. I don't know what you said, but that's what it is. It does look yummy. I just ate, unfortunately. And if you want to know where this is, that's this little stand right here on this corner. Street number 7 and street number 2. Street 2 and 7. That's where the action is. A little stall right here. They're grilling up food over there, serving it to all our hungry customers for cheap. Right up the road from here. Yeah. Talk to you guys later. Hi, puppy. Look at this cute little guy I see here. Look at this cute little guy. How could you not love that cute little guy? Look at this cute little guy. Look at him, he's been playing in the mud. He's been playing in the mud. Yes. Yes, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Always end the video with a puppy. Yeah. And now I got filthy hands.